We'll guide you through how to install plugins in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, you will need to download any plugin. In my case, I'm downloading a free-to-use plugin from Mr. Alex Tech, which is a popular source for Davinci Resolve plugin. You can search for it online, go to the official website and download the plugin file. And once the download has been finished, just navigate to the folder and you will see we have successfully downloaded it. Now, we have to make sure that Davinci Resolve is completely closed on your computer. This is important so the plugin installs correctly. And you can just go to the hidden files and make sure it is not running in the background. And now, just double click on the plugin file that you downloaded and just wait for it to load as it may take some time. And you will see your Davinci Resolve will open automatically. Now a window will appear asking you to install the template or plugin. Just go ahead and click on install and just wait for it to finish. The process is very quick and straightforward. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and check if the plugin has been downloaded. So I'll just go to the effects tab and under effects, the name of my effect was Magic Animate. So I'll just search for Magic Animate. And as you can see, we have successfully installed plugins in Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.